2025 at approximately 3:16 p.m. Up here is Tony Wickersham, Macomb County Sheriff, Deputy Chief Jason Schmittler from the Shelby Township Police Department, and our prosecutor, Peter Lucido. So I've already said the date and time. The incident happened in Van Dyke in 22 Mile. The location of the traffic stop was the Hotspot Coffee Shop, located at 48761 Van Dyke in the Township of Shelby. Involved in this incident are two Shelby Township police officers, both with 7 years of experience with the department. Only one officer was involved in the shooting. This whole incident elapsed at 32 seconds. The deceased has been identified as Thomas Antonio Jackson. He was 41 years old and resided in the city of Troy. The vehicle he was driving was a 2019 Dodge Caravan, which was registered to his mother. And these are the facts of the case. Jackson was stopped for a traffic violation. He fled the scene on foot. An officer gave chase, asking him to stop. A taser was deployed 2 times, which was ineffective. As you'll see in video that we will play, Mr. Jackson pulled out a handgun and continued to run. A second officer arrived, and you will hear him yelling, "Gun, gun." Mr. Jackson was ordered to drop the gun. Shots were fired by one Shelby Township officer at Mr. Jackson. A total of 8 shots were fired. Mr. Jackson was hit 5 times, once in the rear leg, once in the buttocks, and 3 in the upper front torso. Aid was rendered to Mr. Jackson by Shelby Township officers. Shelby Township Fire Department transported Mr. Jackson to Corwell Health in Troy, where he died from the gunshot wounds. Mr. Jackson had a 9mm Ruger P95 pistol in his possession. That pistol was reported stolen out of the city of Detroit in 2023 in a larceny from auto complaint. At the time of this incident, his license was suspended and he had several valid warrants for his arrest. The Macomb County Sheriff's Office was asked to investigate as an independent agency in this investigation. Our detectives gathered all information, body camera and car camera, canvassed the area to get all factual information. On completion of securing all factual information and evidence, the case was presented to the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office, where it was deemed a justified shooting. At this time, Prosecutor Lucido has a comment, and then after his comment, we will show you the video, and then we will take questions. Prosecutor?
Thank you. Thank you, Sheriff. Good morning, everyone. As the Sheriff has indicated, to ensure that there is no appearance of impropriety, as any other shoots that happen here in Macomb County, the Sheriff's Department basically has the resources as well as the wherewithal, the skill and the knowledge to identify those issues that are deemed within a shoot of a sheriff or any other law enforcement official. As a result, this matter was fully investigated, and an exhaustive review of the investigation came to the Macomb County Prosecutor's Office Major Crime Unit. That unit is comprised of individuals who have superior skill, knowledge, to discuss all of the evidence, all of the information, all of the body cams, as well as any other evidence that was presented. And after an extensive discussion among the unit members, they concluded this was a justified shooting and no charges would be authorized.
Thank you, sir. Our investigative team did meet with the family members yesterday. They do have an attorney that we have been corresponding with. Before they see this video, we wanted to make sure that we sat down and showed it to them. This type of incident is hard for everybody involved, the officers involved, and the family. So at this time, we are going to show you the video. We have a lot that is blurred out as far as faces and some of the graphic nature. Please be prepared. There is coarse language, and we've done our best to stay transparent, to show you exactly what transpired in this incident. So at this time, we will play the video.
Thomas, stay in the car. Where are you going, bro? One running southbound from the hot spot. Light middle, pink shirt, brown pants. Hey, stop! Drop it! Give us the air. Shots fired. One down. He's armed with a gun. Not moving now. Stay right there.
Shot fired, one down on the ground, not moving.
OIS. Officers are 10-4.
Got the officer, they're outside.
Where's the gun at? It was a gun. It was a gun, bro. He started turning around after I tased him. Hey, we're gonna get you some help, man. All right? Thomas, can you hear me? Fuck. Fuck. He's still down. Gun's next to him. He's not moving. We're in the southwest corner. Yep, right there. Hold the air. Stay off the air.
They're being held for 120.
Hands. We'll have lethal cover. He's got the gun somewhere by him. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, man. The gun's right here. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Oh, man, I just killed this guy. Oh, fuck.
We need him. Down the way.
God.
We're good.
Okay, as you can see, it's a very traumatic incident, not only for the officers and, again, for the family that lost a loved one here. At this time, we will entertain any questions that you might have.
Sheriff, I got a question for you, and then Prosecutor Lucido, one for you too. I'll just ask them both at the same time. Sheriff, for you, just what was the initial traffic stop for Thomas?
Some type of traffic violation. This is something that we gleaned off of the car, in-car computer and that.
Okay. And then Prosecutor Lucido, just from that video, I know you gave a little bit of a statement too, but I think it would just probably help family and like people that are going to see some of that body cam video. What makes that justified? Is there something that you saw in the whole body of evidence? What to you and with the Department of Investigation calls that justified?
Okay, so you have to look at the reason as it relates to, once the stop has been made, why did he get out of the car and run? Also, once there's a gun involved, there's a lethal duty at that point there to protect not only all others that are around, but also the officers themselves. In addition, when he was ordered and commanded to stop and still went on after the tase attempted, there was also another officer on the opposite side yelling, "Gun, gun, gun." As a result of that, you have a duty to protect yourself and anyone else as a lawful officer. In this case here, all he had to do was drop to the ground and obey the command of the officer.
Thank you.
Sheriff, could you tell us what were the warrants that you mentioned?
There was a total of 5. There was a probation violation out of district court in Canton. There was 2 failure to appear for traffic offenses out of the city of Dearborn, failure to appear in Bloomfield Hills, failure to appear in Bloomfield Township, and failure to appear the district court of Rochester. All of them were traffic-related offenses. Chris had her hand up first, Charlie.
Sheriff, can you just repeat the gentleman's name and also the status of the officer, please?
Gentleman's name is Thomas Antonio Jackson.
Traditional spellings?
Yes, Antonio is Antonio. He was 41 years old, out of the city of Troy. And the status of the officer, back to work, correct? Yep,
Pardon?
he's back to work.
Same capacity?
Yes. Charlie?
That was my question, the officer.
Oh.
I mean, that's gotta be a tough thing for him to go through, and I just like to know how he's doing.
Very emotional, and I don't know, Jay, if you
I don't have anything further.
further, yeah.
For clarification, so it was 8 shots were fired, 5 hit him, correct?
Correct,
Thank you.
correct, yeah.
And where about the body again?
One in the leg, back leg, 1 in the buttocks, and 3 in the front torso.
Did the gentleman fire any shots at any point at the officer?
No, not that we found.
And are you guys releasing the name of the officer involved?
We are not at this time.
Can you say why at this time?
We haven't in all of the officer-involved shootings that we have completed, we have never released the names of the officers.
Do you know if this officer had been involved in any prior shootings or any prior discipline issues or anything?
Not that we're aware of,
No.
no.
And do you know how long you've been at?
7 years.
7,
Yep.
thank you.
Just over 7 years. Yes, sir.
Are you able to release the video in a digital format to us?
Yes. Yeah, Jen will take care of that. So,
Is there a civil case being contemplated by this?
I believe there, possibly the family, through our correspondence, we've been asked to have all correspondence go through an attorney. So that's who we've been dealing with when we met with the family.
Doesn't look very good now, does it?
That's it. We just get the facts and present the facts, Charlie. Okay, seeing if there's no other questions, thank you very much for coming.